Okay, so the acoustics in the barn are far from perfect, obviously, but I hope my baffle is working to keep the noise from the turkeys over there down a little bit. This is another question I got. This is from the freak-out class. The question is relating to this idea of parallel and perpendicular lines, right? So let's say we get a line like this, okay? And, this is the slope, right? This is the y-intercept. Those are the two things we need to know about this line equation. And if we want a parallel line, a line that's parallel to this one, all we need is anything with the same slope, okay? So y equals 2x plus 7. This is parallel to this. It just goes through a different place on the y-axis. But same slope instantly gives you a parallel line, okay? If we want a perpendicular slope, we want the negative reciprocal of the slope of the line, okay? So in other words, this is 2, right? So we can write 2 as 2 over 1, okay? We can write this as 2 over 1, okay? And then when we take the negative reciprocal, we get 1 over 2, right? So negative 1 over 2x, so this is going to be perpendicular. And this is just where it crosses the y-axis. Or it can cross the y-axis anywhere and still be perpendicular to our original line. So it's the negative reciprocal of the slope. That's going to give you your perpendicular. Now, notice that this is the negative reciprocal of this, right? So if they gave us negative 1/2 x as our term here, and we wanted a line that was perpendicular to this, we could take the reciprocal, and then the negative. Negative of a negative would be positive. So these lines are perpendicular. If they want a perpendicular line through a particular point, okay, you've got to have the negative reciprocal of the slope so that you get the perpendicular line. The only thing that you can really change is this y-intercept, right, which I'm denoting as b. So what you do is you just take the point they give you and you plug it in. This is y, okay, so this is an x, this is a y, right? So take the y, plug it in here, this is y. Take the x, plug it in here, go ahead and you get 4 equals negative 1 plus b. b must be 5, right? 4 is negative 1 plus 5. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. This line is through this point. You can check it by plugging this stuff in. 4 equals negative 1/2 times 2. Well, this is what we just did, but to check it. And that's 5, right? Plus 5, that's 4. So this is how you get a perpendicular line through a point, okay? You can do the same thing with a parallel line through a point. So if the lines are parallel, slope has to be the same. Plug the point in, and you'll get the equation of a line that's parallel and through a particular point. So this is important stuff. Make sure it makes sense to you. If not, send me